All right, well, welcome. Here we are at Heartcraft Girl, and we have a blog, and we're going to show you about how to make all sorts of things, like for birthday parties and decorating holidays, decorate water bottles,
signs.
Yeah, wooden signs. That would be really cool. So our first project today is going to teach you about how to make a heart. Can you show them the heart, Logan?
You have to wait, baby.
Wait just a second, buddy. Hold on.
You have to wait.
And so I've got my helpers with me.
Owen.
Owen.
Logan.
Logan. And Helen. So we are going to show you all about how to make a heart. So the first thing you do is you'll go to this Silhouette Studio. And then you'll go to File. Go to pull up the library. And then you want to go to Recent Downloads because it comes with a whole bunch of different pictures you can make. And we'll go down to the heart and double click on the heart right here. And then we're going to right click on the heart and ungroup it because it comes with polka dots and we don't want the polka dots today. So we'll delete those polka dots and then we'll put the heart right in the corner. Make it pretty small.
Why?
We're just going to make a small heart today. And then we're going to take it over to send so that our machine can cut the heart out. Okay, well, thanks for listening. That is how you make a heart. And visit our Heartcraft blog to learn more tutorials on how to make all sorts of fun stuff with using our Silhouette machine. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. 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 Nice work, everybody! Woo!